Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Paris Car Show, and today I'm going to show you the details of the new Renault 4ever trophy. This is a concept model that previews the next and the new actually Renault 4, which will be electric crossover. As you can see the model in our video, so this concept has the unique appearance on the road. Look at this, for example, the new Renault badge illuminated, also quite cool design of those lights and very robust appearance as well. This is a model that is 4 meters and 16 centimeters long. It's got the nice robust wheels, 19-inch wheels on the model in the video, and it's got the 134 horsepower electric motor. Let me show you how the side profile looks. Roof racks, and there we go. This is the unique design of the concept Renault 4, and if we move on to the rear, you will see the iconic lights. So look at this, iconic lights, and really makes the car stand out so much. I will try to film it here as well. There we go. We can't go there, but from this angle I think you can clearly see it. I love the signature of those lights, and yeah, well, tell me in your comments, how do you like the design of this car? And do subscribe to the channel, as we are now at the Paris Car Show. A lot of new cars have been unveiled. Stay tuned for more, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.